Jai Hind candidates. So here we are again discussing one of the story which I thought will be helpful for all of you who are going to your SSP. Okay, I am Wing Commander Tiwari. All of you know that, and I have been senior psychologist in Air Force Selection Board Dehradun and Varanasi. Okay, so the picture which is there in front of you, if you observe it carefully for those 30 seconds when the picture is there on the screen, you will see one person who is in front, and there are about 4 to 5 students, or you may say young people, who are looking towards him, and their hands are in some kind of a some discussion or something which has taken place between the person who is standing in front and subsequently the people who are there. Okay, so it is however appearing as if that the person who is in front has given some kind of instruction, and these boys are discussing it. Okay, so the environment, if you see, okay, the mood is positive. Okay, the dress which they are wearing is a trouser and shirt. That means it is a kind of a city environment. It is not a village environment or something like that. Okay, number of characters are almost 5 to 6 characters, out of which you can choose one character who will be the central figure of the picture of the story. Central figure means hero of your story, and most prominent character for becoming the hero is the person who is standing in front and is addressing the other people. Okay, he can be one, or the other you may also take someone from the down below also. Okay, if that character appeals to you. But to me, the character who is in front is appearing to be a dominant character, and that is why I am going to take this character as a hero if I have to write a story. Okay, mood is positive, environment, the clothes, and the other things I have already discussed with you all. Okay, so now we will come on to the stories which has been written by a couple of students. Okay, and I will analyze and I will let you know as to what is good, bad, or what mistakes they have committed in the stories which they have written. Okay, so the first story which has been written by one of the student, and it goes like this. Ravi was the head boy of Army Public School, Lucknow. He was informed by his teachers that there is going to be annual inspection next month. Ravi called all other responsibility holders such as cultural captain, sports captain, and other house captain. He discussed various programs to be conducted, but few of students couldn't digest that they have inspection next month. Ravi persuaded them and planned different cultural programs, rigorously checked every other students for their compliance with the prescribed uniform, also asked NCC wing in school to perform drill. Next month, brigadier level officer visited a school, and he was happy with the arrangement and conduct of students. He appreciated the principal for the same. Okay, so this story is, I will say, it is somewhat related to the stimulus which has been shown to us, in which, yes, the figure in front, okay, he has been taken by the student as the Ravi, who is the head boy of the Army Public School. Now he has come to know that there is going to be an inspection next month, and now the responsibility of conducting a successful inspection, okay, was being given to the head boy, that is Ravi. Okay, so Ravi immediately called all other responsibility holders, that means other people who are there as cultural captains, sports captain, house captains, okay, and discussed various programs which he wanted to be conducted for the inspection. But there is one line that few students could not digest what that they have inspection next month. I don't know why this student has written this, that few students could not digest this. I think that he means to say that some of the students were not able to understand, or they were not prepared for the inspection next month. Okay, so this line is actually it's not required. Okay, unnecessarily he has kept this line. Okay, but the thing is that Ravi is now doing everything by himself. Okay, he is not delegating the responsibility to various subgroups which he should have. Okay, as he has said that there were he has called house captains, cultural captain, sports captains, etc, etc. Okay, so he is actually keeping all the responsibility with himself. As a good team man, he should have given the responsibility to other people also. Okay, and worked as a overall coordinator of the inspection team. Okay, so if that would have been there, the story would have been a much better, in which the characteristics or the quality of Ravi would have come out as he being a team person. Okay, he is a team man. He is not doing everything himself or hogging the limelight himself. Okay, that is one point which needs to be added. Okay, and thereafter he said that he also asked NCC wing to perform drill, and the inspection went off well, and the brigadier level officer who came for inspection appreciated the principal for the same. Okay, so thereafter the story is okay. The only point lacking in this is that the story is slightly indicating towards the self-centeredness of the hero, wherein he is not utilizing other characters who are there in supporting role very effectively. Okay, he should have made subgroups, delegated responsibility to others. Overall, yes, you can supervise the activity, but the supporting characters should have also been given some role to play on. Okay, so that is the only point which I want to add in this story. Okay, the second story being written by by another student is he said that Kaushik was a 22-year-old college student. His teacher informed him to celebrate 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd of October. He made a list of all programs like play, dance, poetry competitions, and informed all students. He divided his class in groups and managed the whole day function. He invited dean, teachers, and guests, prepared a short film on life of Gandhiji. He checked whole things related to celebration, also motivated others to perform. The program was going well. Teachers appreciated his work and thanked them. Okay. So in this story, the story is of course related to the stimulus, I will say so, because here also Kaushik is the main character, the hero who has been given the responsibility to organize 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so he made all the programs and informed all the students, and he divided his class in groups and managed a whole day function. So see, here this boy has divided the work to small groups and he is managing the entire activity himself. Okay, so this shows that the boy is having some kind of a team spirit in himself. Okay, so he is ready to work as a team by giving responsibilities to others also, while he is supervising the entire activity, because the responsibility or the onus of organizing the activity lies with him. Okay, so he invited teachers also, he prepared a short film also. Okay, the only thing missing in this story is that the problem is not being generated by the student in this story. Okay, the story is a very shallow kind of a story, in which the only thing which is being done by the hero is to organize the activity on 150th anniversary of Gandhiji. Okay, so if a small problem would have been generated and subsequently actions would have been taken to solve or resolve the problems, okay, which is a part of the entire activity of organizing that cultural kind of an event, okay, then the story would have been much better. Why it would have been much better? Because when a problem is generated, your hero would have been taking some actions, okay, to overcome that problem. And when the hero is taking some actions to overcome the problem, the number of qualities of his which will come out will be much more than what is being coming out in just organizing a plain and simple function. Okay, so always try and add some kind of a problem which your hero is taking on. Okay, he's doing something to overcome that problem, achieving his aim. In that, he is taking some actions, and those actions will be giving out the qualities of him. Okay, keep this thing in mind, and I'm sure that you all will be able to write good stories while you are attempting your TAT. Right, students, do well, prepare well. Anybody having any problem can DM me and can take help of mine. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.